All right, Ryker fans, I got it removed. Sorry about the painful cluster fuck, basically, excuse my language. But let's go ahead and put on the new one. All right? I'm gonna show you how it fits in, and we'll go from there. First off, we gotta remove the T-screw, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. If I can find my screwdriver. There we go. Taking off. Easy peasy. Alrighty. Let's put her on. Doing my parts. Doing my parts. So that's what she looks like, the aluminum lever. All right, I'll show you the picture right when I get tightened up.